Okay, so hello. I'm gonna try my first question using explain everything, and we'll see how it goes. This is the vegetable garden question for my PeppeR problem number 2. So today we need to find out what percent of the garden the cauliflower was used to plant. So we're going to find that out, but in order to find that out, we need to find this out, and this out. So let's see what happens. To find out the tomatoes, we need to divide 100 by 2 because it is a half of the garden. So 100 by 2 equals 50, and there's 50% for the tomatoes. For the broccoli, we need to find out what 50 divided by 4 is, because it's the other half, and the other half divided by 4. So 50 divided by 4 equals 12.5. There we go, there's it in right there, and yep. This is where it gets a bit confusing. So since we know the tomatoes and we know the broccoli, we need to know the lettuce and the cauliflower. So to find that, since it's a half of the other 3/4, we need to find out what 3/4 is. So we multiply 12.5, because that's our 1/4. If we multiply that by 3, we'll get the answer, which is 37.5. Now, that equals this whole part right here, but we only need half of it. So we have to divide that by 2, and that equals 8.75. And there it is again, right there. And this is for lettuce, and then this is for cauliflower. And so I hope that wraps up the question. This wraps up the question. The tomatoes is 50% of the garden. The broccoli is 12.5% of the garden. The lettuce is 18.75, and the cauliflower is 18.75% of the garden. Thank you for watching, and I hope I did well on my first explain everything answer.